Summer Fruit Galettes, Rustic Summer Fruit Galettes. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup cold unsalted butter, cut into small cubes, 1/4 cup ice water, 2 cups mixed summer fruits, such as berries, peaches, plums, sliced, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 egg, beaten, for egg wash, 1 tablespoon coarse sugar, for sprinkling, whipped cream or ice cream, optional, for serving. Directions: in a large bowl, combine the flour, granulated sugar, and salt. Add the cold butter and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to blend until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, and mix until the dough just comes together. Form the dough into a disc. Wrap in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a medium bowl, combine the mixed summer fruits, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, cornstarch, lemon zest, and vanilla extract. Toss gently to coat on a lightly floured surface. Roll out the chilled dough into a 12-inch circle. Transfer to the prepared baking sheet. Spoon the fruit mixture onto the center of the dough, leaving a 2-inch border. Fold the edges of the dough over the fruit, pleating as needed. Brush the dough with the beaten egg and sprinkle with coarse sugar. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the fruit filling is bubbly. Let cool slightly before serving. Serve warm or at room temperature with whipped cream or ice cream, if desired. Prep time: 20 minutes. Cooking time: 40 minutes. Total time: 1 hour. Kcal: 250 kilocalories. Servings: 6 servings.